Welcome to Score More News Media. Voice of India to the world. Made in India Light Combat Helicopter joins Air Force Fleet. An indigenously built light combat helicopter, LCH, Prachand, was inducted into the Indian Air Force at Jodhpur Airbase in the presence of Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, CD's General Anil, Chauhan and IAF Chief Air Chief Marshal Chaudhary. Rajnath Singh attended the first indigenously developed LCH induction program in Jodhpur, Rajasthan today and also offered Sarv-Dharam prayer. Thank you for watching.